In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make scrolling text in Wix for the year 2025 using an easy step-by-step approach. If you're looking to add some dynamic flair to your Wix site without diving into coding with Wix Velo, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a smooth continuous scrolling marquee. Let's jump right in. Begin by opening your Wix editor. Once you're there, locate the Add button on your toolbar. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Embed. Under Embed, click on Embed a Widget. Another route you might consider is under Custom Embeds, selecting HTML iframe. Both methods will work, so use whichever you are more comfortable with. Next, once you have your embed box ready, click and drag it to the location on your web page where you want your scrolling text to appear. It's important to resize the box appropriately to fit your design needs, allowing adequate space for the text to scroll smoothly. After positioning and resizing the embed box, click on Enter Code. Here, you'll paste the HTML and CSS code that I'll share with you. Remember, inside this code, there is a placeholder text within the comment tags. These tags indicate where your scrolling message should be. Replace the text that says, latest update, free shipping this weekend, new arrivals every Tuesday, subscribe for discounts, with your custom message. Here's that code snippet for reference. HTML. Now that you've pasted and customized the code, remember to click Save and then Publish your site. You'll want to preview your live site to see how the scrolling text looks and check if the speed and appearance fit your liking. If you find that the text is scrolling too quickly or too slowly, there's an easy fix. Simply adjust the duration value in the animation settings of the CS. The current value is set at 18 seconds, which defines how fast the text scrolls from start to finish. Lower this number to speed it up or increase it to slow down the scroll. And there you have it. With just a few tweaks, you've successfully added a dynamic scrolling text to your Wix site. This feature is perfect for highlighting promotions, announcements, or any special messages you want visitors to see. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to experiment with different messages and speeds to see what works best for your site.